Today, I'm going to talk to you about RCD protected sockets or RCD protected fuse spurs, what they are, when you need one, and how to reset and restore power. If your garden sockets, garage, freezer, greenhouse heater or pond pump suddenly stop, there's a good chance an RCD device has tripped. These are often fitted when the main consumer unit doesn't have RCD protection or where extra local safety is needed. What is an RCD? An RCD, residual current device, constantly checks the current in a circuit. If some leaks to earth through damaged cable, damp equipment, or a person, it disconnects the power in milliseconds. It greatly reduces the risk of electric shock and fire. UK wiring rules BS 7671 18th edition require 30 milliamp RCD protection for most sockets and outdoor use. A quick comparison in plain English. MCB protects cables from overloads and short circuits. RCD protects people from earth leakage, shock. RCBO does both in one unit. If your consumer unit doesn't have RCDs, RCBOs, we can add protection locally with either an RCD socket or an RCD fuse spur. RCD socket looks like a normal socket with test and reset buttons. Great for plug-in use in garages, sheds and gardens. You can choose the following options: active, non-latching, won't come back on after a power cut, safer for power tools, passive, latching, comes back on automatically, ideal for freezers. RCD fuse spur is a fuse connection unit with an RCD built in. Best for fixed hardwired loads like heaters, towel rails, gate motors or pond equipment. It gives you a local switch, a 13 amp fuse and RCD protection in one neat unit. How to reset and restore power. Find the device with the test and reset buttons. Use a torch if needed. Check the small indicator window. Press reset firmly. You should feel a click. If it won't reset, unplug everything or switch the connected appliance off, then try again. If it still won't reset, stop and call an electrician. Never, ever bypass an RCD. Press the test button monthly. Always press the reset afterwards to restore the power. Common trip causes include damp, faulty appliances, damaged leads or cumulative small leakages. Important, this is general guidance, never work on live electrics. All inspection, testing and installation should be done by a competent electrician. Need help? Send us clear photographs via our contact page or by email. Or if you're local, we can visit, test and get you safely up and running. Whether it's a small, simple RCD socket, an RCD fuse spur or a full consumer unit upgrade. Stay safe and test monthly your RCD socket or RCD spur. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has been of help and interest to you. Please like and subscribe to our video channel and also hit that little notification bell so that you are notified the next time we record another video. If you'd like further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.